In this video, I'm going to show you the best settings for Premiere Pro that will make editing much easier and save you a lot of time. First, go to Edit and then select Preferences. Let's start with the timeline category. I recommend changing the default durations. Set video transitions to around 10 frames. It's short, but easy to extend if needed. For audio transitions, change it to 2 frames. For still images, I change it to 1 second. Before, when it was longer, dragging an image into the timeline would sometimes overwrite other clips. With a shorter duration, you can always extend it later without worrying about replacing anything. Next setting that we want to change is Timeline Playback Auto Scrolling. By default, when the playhead goes past the edge, the timeline jumps to the next page. I switch this to No Scroll, so it doesn't interrupt my workflow while I'm adjusting something. Last one here is disabling at playback and return to beginning. When you're at the end of the timeline and hit play, it jumps back to the start. I disable this because I find it annoying. I don't want my timeline moving unless I'm the one controlling it. Now let's move to the Media tab. If you're working with footage larger than your sequence, like 4K videos in a 1080p timeline, you'll always have to scale it down. To save time, change the default media scaling to set to frame size. This way, when you drop footage into the timeline, Premiere Pro will automatically scale it to fit. Finally, under the Audio tab, there's one setting I always change. Play audio when scrubbing. I turn this off because hearing the audio while moving the playhead is super annoying. You only want to hear audio when you hit the spacebar to play. These changes will make your editing process smoother and more efficient. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this useful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.